Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the product. Today we're taking a look at Sovos, a company found at sovos.com. They offer a comprehensive suite of tax compliance software solutions designed to help businesses navigate the complexities of sales tax, VAT, and other global indirect tax regulations. In an increasingly globalized marketplace, staying compliant with constantly evolving tax laws can be a significant challenge for businesses of all sizes. Sovos aims to simplify this process by providing automated solutions for tax determination, calculation, reporting, and remittance. Their platform integrates with various ERP and e-commerce systems, enabling seamless data flow and minimizing manual intervention. This can be especially beneficial for businesses operating across multiple jurisdictions, as Sovos helps manage the varying tax rules and requirements in each region. From small businesses to large enterprises, Sovos offers scalable solutions to fit the unique needs of each client. They provide support for a wide range of industries, including retail, manufacturing, software, and financial services. The company emphasizes accuracy and efficiency in its tax compliance solutions, helping businesses avoid costly penalties and audits. Additionally, Sovos keeps up with changes in tax legislation, ensuring that their clients remain compliant with the latest regulations. By leveraging technology and automation, Sovos aims to streamline the tax compliance process, freeing up valuable time and resources for businesses to focus on their core operations. They provide a range of services, including tax calculation, reporting, filing, and remittance, as well as support for tax audits and inquiries. With their comprehensive suite of solutions, Sovos aims to be a one-stop shop for all tax compliance needs. They strive to empower businesses to navigate the complexities of global tax regulations with confidence, enabling them to grow and succeed in today's dynamic market. Furthermore, Sovos provides ongoing support and resources to their clients, including training and educational materials. They understand that tax compliance can be a complex and ever-changing landscape, and they strive to provide their clients with the tools and expertise they need to stay ahead of the curve. This focus on customer support and education helps solidify Sovos' position as a trusted partner for businesses seeking to simplify their tax compliance processes.